Hello everyone. This is 20th session of CAB subject for 5th semester BBA affiliated to Bangalore North University. Today's topic will be Group Decision Support System, in short GDSS. The recap of the previous class. In previous class, we have learnt about decision support system, its functions, components and classification of decision support systems. The learning objective of this chapter, uh, the objective of this unit is to enable the students to know about group decision support system, what it includes, etc. Session outcomes. The students will be able to understand the group decision support system. A group decision support system is an interactive computer based system that helps a team of decision makers solve problems and make choices. The group decision support system are targeted to supporting groups in analyzing problem situations and in performing group decisions. The group may make decisions in several settings like boardrooms, conferences, video conferences, etc. The decision makers are in different places, yet the group decision support software brings them together in group decision making environment. In short, uh, people are in a different place, but with the help of this particular computer support system, all are made to come in one platform. They can have lots of discussions on the problems or on the issues. Various different ideas will be discussed out of it, and best alternative can be selected. This is going to create one of the best decision making environment wherein people will express their ideas, their thoughts, their preferences, etc. Out of the choices which comes out in discussion, a best one will be selected, and the decision can be made quick and accurate because of this particular system. What does a group decision support system includes? All the participants in the group decision making are provided with the computer based support that includes. So all the participants will have all this following, namely data management, retrieval, graphical representation, presentation tools, decision analysis. Group decision support system capabilities include display, a, a workstation screen or previously prepared presentation material. Second one, electronic brainstorming. Participants communicate comments electronically. So when they are interacting, the participants can communicate. They can give their comments electronically. Topic commenting. The third one, participants add comments to the ideas suggested by others. So when others are suggesting, the participants will have a choice of commenting on the ideas presented by others. Fourth one, issue analysis. Participants identify and consolidate key items generated during the electronic brainstorming. So they will identify the issues and it will be analyzed during electronic brainstorming, that is electronically when they are discussing. Fifth one, voting. Participants use the computer to vote on the topics with a choice of prioritized methods. So there is an voting option wherein participants can give out their voting and on the priority by based methods. Last one, alternative evaluation. The computer ranks alternative decisions based on preferences entered by the participants. Participants will have a choice of giving their preferences on the alternative decisions. So if they are giving four alternatives, they can give their choices. So on that, an alternative evaluation, computer ranks will be given by this particular system. What are the components of a group decision support system is? It's hardware, software, procedures, and people. So what does the hardware contains? The input and output devices. It includes conference facilities, requirement of video conferencing, electronic hardwares, etc. Software, it includes users interface, including electronic questionnaires, brainstorming tools, idea organizers, voting tools, questionnaire tools, analysis tools, etc. So for analyzing, the tools will be there. For questionnaire tools are there. Voting tools to give their preferences. Voting tools will be there, and brainstorming tools online in a single platform. The discussions will be happening, exchange of thoughts, exchange of ideas will be happening. So electronically the message will be passed. So for that, various software supports will be should be there. Next, people, the group members and the facilitators. They can be participants, they can be trained facilitators who are arranging it, hardware and software supporting staff to for the soft functioning or soft process of this particular software system. We need hardware and software supporting staff. They are also required. Next is procedures, that is the methods which is used in the meeting. In terms of hardware and software, the group decision support system offers various levels of computational support in order to remove communication obstacles, provide techniques for structuring decision analysis and systematically directing the pattern, timing, or content of the discussion. It adds value to collaborate problem solving by providing tools for parallel communication, anonymous interaction, and automatic recording of the decisions. So parallelly communication will be happening, interaction will be happening, and automatically the decisions will be recorded by the system. In terms of people and process, the group decision support system researchers have identified three main tasks involving the different consecutive process: brainstorming, exploring the course of action, and evaluating the situation. Let's see multiple choices on this particular topic. GDSS is the short form of Group Decision Support System, Group Decision Support System, Discussion Support System, Group Decision Service System, Group Decision Support Source. The correct answer is Group Decision Support System. Next multiple choice question. More than dash participant can participate in group decision support system. First option 10, option B 15, option C 2, option D 50. The correct answer is option B 15. Next multi-choice question. The decision involved in group decision support system are structured, unstructured, both, none. The correct answer is unstructured. GDSS option 1 are assigned to allow meeting attendees to share their thoughts in real time with their peers, or support decisions that require knowledge about the geographic distribution of resources, are typically used with geographically dispersed attendees, implement structured method for organizing and evaluating ideas. Correct answer, implement structured methods for organizing and evaluating ideas. Next multiple choice question. Information is dash when it is useful in making a decision. Relevant, management by exception, productive reports, control. Correct answer is relevant. References for making the presentation and for making this video, the following references are done. Thank you.